Hello, I am Rob Moyer, President of Context Solutions. I work with business leaders of discrete manufacturing organizations to improve their profitability and productivity by implementing and improving ERP systems and functionality. I'm creating this short video for you because we are in a time where driving the business side of manufacturing, growth, profit, cycle time, first-time quality, and compliance has never been more competitive for you and never been more important to this country. In this video, I'm going to summarize my 3 recommendations of how to achieve the positive business results that the most profitable manufacturers experience. Let's get started. My first recommendation is to create real-time and decisionable reporting data for measurability purposes. I've seen that the top manufacturing firms that are highly competitive on a national or global level are able to make quick decisions and alterations to their daily operations and planning. They base these decisions on accurate data from their sales management, looking at job costing, quote conversions, and projects to bring in the most amount of revenue and profit. They then look at manufacturing to evaluate throughput, cycle time, and utilization to really be able to get the most revenue and productivity per machine and per employee. They also have reporting in place to see real-time data and statistics around inventory, purchasing, and financials. The top performing organizations are those that know what is going on inside their facility so they can quickly respond. So my first recommendation is to make sure you have solid reporting in place. My second recommendation is to modernize your front office and manufacturing processes by implementing manufacturing-specific automation as a means of eliminating manual in-house processes. Use proven best practices that are embedded within today's leading ERP and industrial automation systems. The top manufacturing organizations are looking to ERP functionality and industrial automation processes to determine how they should operate. Let's be clear, this does not mean looking at how you operate today and then looking at if automation can make things a little better. What I'm recommending is looking at top manufacturing ERP systems such as Epicor ERP and looking at industrial automation for best practices of how you should be operating for winning more jobs, improving first-time quality, and being more profitable. My final recommendation, which also builds off my first 2, is to better use your people. If you look at the average manufacturing facility, labor costs are often disproportionately high for the amount of revenue earned. And this is something that isn't going away or slowing down on a global level. Using your human capital intelligently and cost-effectively is what is going to ultimately allow you to compete. Evaluate internal job functions and redeploy those people for better use by allowing ERP and industrial automation to handle the functions that can be automated. Put simply, use human capital for human functions and use ERP and automation for technological and mechanical functions. As someone who specializes in working with manufacturing organizations to help them improve their profitability and productivity, these are my recommendations for you. Get your data and reporting in place so you can make timely decisions, modernize your front and back office with ERP and industrial automation, and follow their best practices for your daily operations. I have helped a lot of manufacturing companies utilize these recommendations as I help them implement and use Epicor to ultimately make their facility grow and become more profitable. I'm committed to keeping you updated on ways to improve your business just as you are committed to bringing manufacturing back to the U.S. Thank you for watching my video, and if you'd ever like to get together to discuss improving the business results of your facility, I'd love to have that conversation. I'm the President of Context Solutions, Rob Moyer. Thank you.